chifhinga chikoritendera vatu vahashu chikoritendera chifhinga vatu vahashu. This man does not need any introduction. Hey, yeah. Hodara namusi kulubanga manda king himself, MIZO PHYLL Venda. Arikufana zobvinya napo.
Yeah, kolapha bona bakomfa right.
Yeah. Kuni dobas no MIZO PHYLL kulubanga manda nokono vanarine kambe kwenye mshimo ya Venda show hapa no ni Kadevura FM mbeke kwenye mshimo ine yoto fombe kauri muzika wa hip hop ngamanda wa Venda uye batuni.
Nane ndikolipo zvine byewena kuita ndikuitira muzika wa ayani especially for his genre ine ndi ya Venda rap. Thank you so much.
Aunana mini batu banji apa ya hodara mbusa zihone dzine ya ardo farapala na pala za batecheresi mbusa ine ngado busa ro thoma apa ngore MIZO PHYLL ndata ndi kwa murawu wangeini hayi zwinga straight MIZO PHYLL hato the introduction. How do you feel about bachiri king ka MIZO PHYLL?
Zwazino it's sinking in. Now I totally understand why bachikuri the man is king, and as the title in economy could just because of self entitlement. The title in could from the people, you know.
Yeah.
So already bathu ubone bane nabo bakutorwela ezo zwithu. Yeah, even ndito tanganedza uri ndina responsibility yori ndoveiwa. So yeah. So nwelela especially now which by LP as you know ndozvibona definitely the man is king.
Yeah, ndichingojenera nga manda arepo ka LPA inoni heitendere ichibva vatu vanji vachibona palongo if it was written LP vango vakori Limpopo, it was written Limpopo vari oh yeah hentu yongolwa Limpopo masina he LP yemerori long play so vudi vari kwamba nga long play MIZO PHYLL oistakchisani achiri ni long play
ndandodzana vanorufuna ndandobvisa EP ndajia nyana chipinga because as a Marshal Nation as the company rova richikolindera our distribution deal in electro mode.
Yeah.
So that deal actually took time. Yar itio manifesta about in the August, and August we don't actually do anything, you know, with such Venda chichiamba au furuiwi au furucheliwi. A lot of people bad sorry mlandunga August maybe risongwetri uita chitu and ndinga amusi mupo one uva uchiko utangura uva uchiko vudzura zvakare uri the new zvikonoda nga spring zvikonotuma rurere a new beginning. So ichisare ichiyoda kane ndova ndonova na nyimbo nyinji ngori nyimbo dzendava ndichikoridzidza bva ka EP hauvonova maybe na ṅwaha dzichikosikolira online ka TikTok vatu vakusikovona zvisnippet. So that season muzika ubva yavo ri ndandonorecorda dzimwe dzinyimbo. So we decided okay inela EP endava ndikodoibvisa naidzi dzinyimbo dzine ndandikodzirecorda rather we take them together mara rasiite album because album already rinayo now and then ine ikadi vana velu ine ikadi vana kwali. Yeah, so we decided okay rather we put out something longer than an extended playlist, which is the long play.
Mutu anatobera MIZO PHYLL was divazori MIZO PHYLL asikanji achinga neima tendera dzawe madzina zvao kana mafungo ane dzina line hangothoma lumbura zvavudi. K, if it was written, what was behind the name?
To be honest, the Dizamo nachikosendera bugs voice note. I think vachikongora press release. Ngandikozama muvudza uri like it was written to zvine butshilo hanga hovo homwaliwa. If you check nechila chenda posta any vege chine ndiva ndi mutuku topospana nga mancha Friday ndo ambara shoti ndo ambara na chimwe chikipa ke chichakhola
yeah nisingambara na zvienda
yeah. If you check that picture and you check MIZO PHYLL wazvino kamsi ofodiwa oima kamsi news cafe ofara drink wambara na zvienda wambara na label, you would think this is not the same person kana it's not, you know, ndikuambara kuitwa picnics. So kuchirovo omwadi uri mfu wetu udotakuwa kwasi aya ningenka associator, you know, with the greatest udo associator na baranga panda udo naye udojiwa sala panda. But at a young age I've always known and it is the weren't the blind and it is because even now I should call it and mtuku he would come na PC. And I remember the first time you want to PC. At that time, the cell phone was a bit of Bopa. PC had a cell phone at that time. I think it was 7 years or somewhere there. He came, I showed him Rinshama and gave me Shandima Renavo Bomakadzi. So, time Angorio by police, we are every now and then. So, time each Dorio we are Gabangana Bayo, come through, let's have Jibodo, Jibodo, and the Ashu. So, but the Wanori, Nendi Bandich could do with this. Who am I gonna be when I grow up? Am I gonna be a soccer superstar? Am I gonna be a musician? But I knew this governor surrounding Yangorio, surround Wanga music, or the surround Imba. But I didn't know how. So, person to move on at that time. Don't recognize out of that day or okay, me and this kid we have a bond, and too much because him, his father and my father have a special bond in it. The short term drop as nepe, bakwe wotiangai. Now you could do a chapter in my next comes album or whoa, Machiko is to Zukoba. You know, Zukoba ange rau. Yeah, so everything is to be honest. I've always known, and there's always Loba Longwariwa, Uria, MIZO PHYLL, Udobangorari, and the Udoba King, and you know, I'm not surprised why Uchronga ought to be like this.
Yeah, MIZO PHYLL ni watu bene. Everything that you do is calculated. Ndingadori MIZO PHYLL wa connecta body naba fasi so the body. Ndingazo hey LP ndiko ipfai. It has different vibes. There's different vibes within this ELP. Niko recorder ELP. Noma nikamuya there. Not to those ananga mini futi.
Oh, about Neradzora ode. It's a remote area. The Mabrasili. Oh no, Ploto. Ploto. Now you know, if you listen, it's very quiet. Auto we are not poor sure. So Ngamasiari the free in a way that they are gonna connect and the Vandifetu name. Unazi bere, unazi ngwa, unazi noni, unazi kuu. Unazi swimming pool, you know, una piece, una land, and ya kono Brazilienda, ndato chimbranga milenje, ndaita zitu, zinezwa vizofi effing, ndichiko etha. So batu banji bane baba drobo ne abakonu u etha, ba connecta na nature, and bane baba dress, ane phone ni zurani busy. You can't even have time to chimbra bonga milenje, na kanga ma, number one with Vafasi, number one with yourself. We don't approach, you know, every day, ka WhatsApp, ka Twitter, ka Facebook, it's always noise. Up to date to what's trending. But India, India, gonna not my phone, you know, at Ovana finger and the moon. And, you know, when I was working, or something, on a studio, you know, I would play the song, hey, my nigga, I have Jiani. Or something, and I want to that's go show my EP in the studio. unarina nabo bachikushuma never in the studio, even who JR player also came through. Abo batho bote benda bandi kushuma nabo bonginspire badi uri dzinyimbo dzanga ndichikodziita dzive dzi original to actually mingatori mini uri ngamanda be ni cheka nono uri piano iva ikourwa piano iva ikovudzura ngelandira ine
ive kudzanga manda
ni ari ticheka dzitrend nazvivono right imanane nditodropa lipiano kamusi ndido trenda, you know. So just because of the company I was having, my brothers avongontendera uri kamusi ndikonziwe nga zvino zvakuitia shangoni. They've always reminded me uri arive true to music, arive even actually Osam Phende in the moment when you guys get to know him, you'll realize that Amapiano is very versatile. Musically. So the boy na no oding guy dangaman ate in the rich piano, but no feature the piano, you know.
Yeah.
And then the kopo unga na calling in the guy soft piano then the major player. But on this one, yeah, it's a potendo feature. Rosamor maybe related track number 14. Even like a bonus or whatever, Ripangeka EP, even piano, but that was gonna take away the original feeling here. If you understand?
Yeah. So yeah, chinga chingapano ori tendera ine hey ayoma hey LP ifere no itomarini sobudebudi.
I think into Gejiama water, if I'm not water. And shout out to Sound Lucid. Vanevo want to Saka production, Vanendi Big J, the Kolivo Namanda, but football shoe, my sound in LP, it's very unique. And Kodovanda Wana Crosswave, and then the Shumane Latragan Feed My Love is the one who did, he did the production on that track. He also gave me a beautiful hook. So the Kodovanda, even a faceless and then auto mixing and mastering of the beat is all the writer mixing and mastering of the vocal. So we actually went through a phase where but Babachkore drop on. At that time when but Babachkore are dropping, we really took our time that to see update as we not quality rather rindele reflect the mixing and mastering revises to quality. So yeah, I think we spent a year or something.
I just want to give a shout out to you. You embrace new kids coming in and you still work with people who you used to work with. And faceless. I remember there are some songs back in the days. Then I need to shuma na faceless. Now you also know the guys who did your beats and stuff like that. But then dibaswa nigarin dibaswa ka hey in the wishmia music and don't know when shuma na JR player. You always know that how to embrace the new wave coming in and also still keep your originality. I am apungo abutogwa hani MIZO PHYLL.
And the abutogwa ngamanda because most of these kids are my fans. Yeah. Una zinepe zine. Hey, bayan tumeza that's called like they have them. Like okay, for example, picture ya birthdays, you know. If you check it out, no man, that picture goes over to you understand? So the boy from a very young age, now he's a fellow artist, he's a big man in town. He's someone and I'm very inspired to have in my presence, you understand?
Yeah.
I never put to a big J bane, the Konibuzanga abo, I never buff one and about trill. I think they were in high school, bro. It's like you know, you can't believe. It's a different story, it's a different ball game, you know. So nditoliwa even throughout these years I remain the same guy, and then ndikadiva relevant, and then ndikadiva humble, and then ndikadi ndikadifuniwa, it's amazing.
Yeah, na mbilu yakaita ritoyo yo ndikopfa nikamba mafungo orario ninyengo rijene ka hey track ndingazondori hey LP ndiko ticheresa una different vibes, una nyimbo zine na nenda ticheresa dzia motivate abana nyimbo zine ndi atenapa but they still keep me constant. Huna itreke no fi CHIFO charge ndichitecheresa maybe ningauri ndiadiva history ya Venda na bathu bene bo player dzi role apano nika muzika wa hip hop ya Venda holwimbo no rupfai yeah mbilu yanga isakhathua ndaba emotional nga manda don't break it down olwimbo ngoto gaga hundo dosia bathu bakufesesa.
No, I can't do that for now, man.
Yeah,
for now I let the emotions play, man.
Yeah, man.
Everybody wants to know, so for now let the emotions play, let the music speak, and let the people do their research, let the people find out.
Yeah, nane yanga research ndanoita ndakunyingori into iconfirm. Yeah, nikwamba zone.
Yeah, please, it will mean a lot to me. Let the people do their research. Let this thing be also like a puzzle, Yeah.
Una nyimbo zine dzava dzihone kana dzichahone dzine azingosvikerera uva chipida cha LP.
Yes, only then. Zadzikobe vadzi atode. Yeah. Vatu vayatokomera vatu we smoking the we. Yeah, that one. Ndialifuna liabuzura.
Likote yobva.
Yeah, the generation which wanted me to trap, which wanted me to rap, and ndosipenda chunga chilapo ndichikoita kamse muzika une ndandisako step into Ngatori trap and rap. It was more Afrobeats, it was more Muzimu Rilamulele, it was more Zioni, it was more Pam Pam, if you understand the vibe, it was more Venda Waves.
Kai LP niyengori I want to give you an opportunity nilibuwe batu bene no shumanabo ngori kanji the producer na batu bene bo mixer na batu bene bo mastera na batu bene ngamanda Venda batu bamangala uchifio urulimbo MIZO PHYLL olungwana na nyinyi ngora wala batu chipinga chinji aba mention you can take this time nilibuwa batu bene no shumanabo kai LP.
Okay, like I said, Nolibuwa the producer, Vanendi Sounds Lucid. If anyone wants to work with them, they can hit up Big J na Trill Vavuani ex Chino and ko Dovandaliwana cross Vanene or producer Be My Love or Dova featureiwa ko Dovandaliwana Unarime Ojolewa. My brother, he gave it like an African international feel, that Afro beat.
Yeah.
And that Vandaliwana Slim. Oh wow, Rinalwimbo Rabudi Runofi Rufunorwanga.
Otambanga Rufunorwanga.
Yeah, we got music video. Hopefully it'll drop in a reggae because Roy Shutana tools. And the tools is been giving me the runaround. Hey, video yetani. Hey, and I guy and go shooter. Hey, artist younger this artist, Move there for Kawolo. Video yaba feel man.
Yeah. Numbo na oji auto rimbo or some femina na unari na quality is galo.
Very good. So the one year or something, if you find me now, you need to check it out. Yeah, the boy tools is very, very, very good. Even this one here, Rufunorwanga, I'm sure it's going to be one of the best videos in my catalog in terms of quality. Mara, right now, the best video in my catalog, which I love, and which is for charge, you know, in your shoot wango to KD.
Yeah.
So ndikotolibwa KD Productions uko make sure the music video dzanga za hey LP ziwe ziko dropa. So totamba rule kurani dropa music videos dzinosvika 3 within a space of 2 weeks. You understand? Even on my birthday, we even brought Ribuani.
You
know, yeah, and if you look at the video, we're not seeing it shoot on my birthday.
Yeah.
And the video, so that was like historical, like shooting a music video and dropping it same day. So when it comes to the production visual. Lastly, in the Kolibua faceless, oita mixing and mastering towards the whole project.
Mwamutu debuza ori MIZO PHYLL aya mafungoni yakwanisa hani nga ori richicheka hapa noni K huna Marshal Nation MIZO PHYLL uwera kabatu bene uko gruma uko ita decision ne palanga ngomu uzikwanisa hani MIZO PHYLL uba part ya management adoba up hapu arilisa nyimbo zawe asa ku outshine artists za pasi hawe kana anadzina shuma nadzo.
No, not at management. Nendi owner.
Kelo.
Yes, I'm the CEO with my partner Mr. Marshal.
He's
the director. So the one who's doing management and the way I never know Bugs.
Shout out to Bugs.
So billion bucks in the end, ane abakuri manager and then ana make sure mwana mumwe zitu zawo zikuva video ziko shooti wa mean then ndibandi complain on the artist so man I manager what you you know. So bo manager ndibo bugs ndibona vana vakuri push
ndori ndikuita dzimwe research dzanga falani ndiko cheka ndari ndiko cheka madzina falani hai ndaivona otongono Phende director ndi bathu babiri ane plus director bathu banji tonga basaduzoni fi obri.
Limundi Takalani and as the directors of Marshal Nation, Robert umela supporto gamanda ka zwinara bari kuita Venda. The events zwinara bari kuita, you know, it's very like new. To gamanda if nanga cheka na zwinara bari kuita news cafe, rikoni decide the artist international on a like on a weekly basis. Usa kufi batu bako jena ngobadela, usa kufi, you know, that thing batu because you know abakokono we appreciate it. You understand? They don't see how the Venda was dry. It was dry. So people need to really appreciate greatness, man, when it's there, and really appreciate certain people for playing certain roles. Because if it wasn't for especially for Marshal, I would never to believe in the dream to say, okay, before to nkonyago rite mini. And then we implement this thing to a point where Rofezaro create an event to Oyando Stadium. You understand? So
big shout out to that. Big shout out for that, man. Big shout out.
For the next year, we really need your support because ati woni una production in and ndo ivona in the experience angeni Phende-Phende ndichiko perform as an artist. Una the fireworks, the smoke, the lights, everything was just amazing. Pacey came through as a surprise. I didn't know. Last time I spoke to him, he told me.
Venda anthem.
Yes, Tim came through. I nearly fainted on stage.
MIZO PHYLL, he's feeling this thing.
So the whole Venda could have been there, but people were complaining about Zine. About to understand that the amount of production in the amount of safety, the amount of space, the amount of the lineup, the amount of okay, these things in cost. Certain amounts. And Joe bag, it's normal with the event at the 500, the 550. Renaya, if you check, what spend was $1 million, to be honest, for an event to reach a stadium. so arali anga vho tshi khou pfi badelani 250 na vhani kha ḓi complain and that money is too much, apfi badelani kula box 50 randa na vhani kha ḓi complain or that money is too much, and really kula box la vhewe lia dzhena lia dzhena vhewe ni vhewe vhane ni to tesa vhathu, you need to support this vision, because this vision ndiyo ine ḓo fhedzisela i khou ḓisa vho Drake, Venda, i ḓo fhedzisela i khou ḓisa some international, if we really support each other. You understand? You sure?
Yeah. Chipikwa zwavhuḓi cha Marshal Nation, according to what I've seen, zwavhuḓi yo structure hu tshi nga Rock Nation, ndo nkhakhulu arali ni so khamba zwone, chipikwa cha Marshal Nation zwavhuḓi ngori ri a thoma to wana a big house like this, powerhouse like this, Venda ine khou ita zwine vhe na khou ita zwone zwavhuḓi. Chipikwa tshihulwane ndi mini tshine na ri hafhanoni ra achieve hezwi, hayi ri ḓo vha ri kha nḓila yone?
Really, ri khou nyaga u uplifter everybody, not just the musicians. We want to uplift also people like Bo Patu Siema and Utamba Boda is very talented. We are looking for a team this side and anyway, actually not just this side, a team in England. We are also a non-profit organization. Is our ambassador Nindironewa. Most of you know him Katik Toko. And then the brand ambassador Marshal Nation, the guy Ulano wheelchair.
Muzanani, yes.
Muzanani, you know him. So as Marshal Nation, we are even open to ideas. Zori, we do assist the pageant, scholarship, like anything Janga developer Venda. Besides entertainment, Renee, we are there to even collaborate. Narcheka Royal Festival was there. Raro Renanatafura, Richko Enjoy, Rico Labnati, to show support to our fellow brothers, Richko Edja, even our people, or are support each other. Narichaka Rivarinos Cafe Angeni, Marandorwana, Roya Migeroni, Bukatafura, and Falarco, Renga, Narina, Rico support, Ndorwana Roya, Dar es Salaam, and Bukatafura, Rico support. Donare Kabal Villa Ninge Rubukatafura now support and Dorwana Mandi Sinjere as far as Sinjere would go there, Rabukata the force Musina Rukojena as Marshal Nation or supporter Chisanyama Musina, we are there. So as Marshal Nation Rarichinatama way we need the Kazutuza Shunisongo Ponga Mori Rico Apiara as the big element. We are here to collaborate with the lions, with the giraffes, with the leopards and the tigers.
Yeah,
you know, the big five.
How do you celebrate your wins?
How do we celebrate what?
How do you celebrate your wins?
Oh, by just being grateful to life. As Marshal Nation, remember we are led by Robert Marshal.
Yeah.
So Robert Marshal is not even our peer. So every time we have something glorious or big, he always emphasizes humble and giving praise to our ancestors. He's very, very, very traditional. He would tell you, "Yo, MIZO PHYLL, yanu lina mavida. Ini aniko, and you are just being out here in the world. Who's gonna be with you if in another neglect do that? That is the way you will celebrate your wins and anybody wins. So Zamaharu was the champagne in a meaning. Roberto would just flex and to maintain the image. And it's been changing and they have campaign and the shelter at 20. Or they are still and so our foot and up tonic that we have not. So we celebrate mostly all songa who ndinga advice na veiwo uri zwa sialala, especially now nga hoyu ṅwedzi wo bva September.
Yeah.
Ṅwaha u ḓaho ri songo zwi nyadza. I tshi ri August, pause. I tshi ri August, pause. Ni relax. Ni muya eat everything. They will not relax. The opportunity arali dzi hone dza August, let them pass. Don't sign any big deal. Yeah, don't sign any big deal. Don't make any big commitments. Arali una msidzana avani komuambisa ya a tshi khou ḓo ni tenda nga August, i songo ṱoḓa phindulo. No relax. I tshi ri September, i tshi to ri September, and not nga dzi one nga hela weekend ya dzi 23.
Yeah.
Ngori hela weekend ya dzi 11 za September ndi yone ine Ethiopia i ḓo vha i khou celebrate New Year. If na ita research yanu ndo zwi vhona uri Ethiopia i celebrate New Year nga September.
Yes.
So ni a zwi ḓivha?
Yeah, ndingo.
Ndi ye dipanyana.
Danao.
Ethiopia zwavhuḓi is 7 years behind. Na ya Ethiopia ndo wana with the year 2017. Yeah, 23. Yeah, I think. Don't mind. 16, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, na ya Ethiopia zino nikodoska na with the year 2016. So, how come Ethiopia is by 2016 reka 2023 is because rona ri khou shumisa calendar heinoni ino vhidzwa the Gregorian calendar.
Yes.
Iko ita uri na more than 28 days. Ngauri nga mulayo ṅwedzi una vhege 4 vhege nthihi ina maḓuvha a 7. So 7 times 4 ndi 28. So ufuna u tshi fhela 28 days ṅwedzi wa fhela ra hola mara vha kha ḓi nyaga ri tshi dovha ra flavor. You understand?
Yeah.
So ṅwedzi wa vhukuma u fhela after 28 ṅwaha wa vhukuma u fhela nga September. So vhewe hezwi ni khou ḓo celebrate New Year hange nga January, nature hu vha hu sina zwine ya khou ni fha zwone. Zwithu zwine nature ya khou ni fha zwone zwi hone zwino. This is your season. Maluvha a khou putuluwa. Everything zwi tshi khou mela. Ndi tshifhinga vhewe tsho uri ni vhe ni khou receiver, ni tshi khou amba na vhafhasi, zwithu zwa vhewe zwi tshi khou vulea.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah, hune mbudziso hafha ya mthetshelesi uri oni vhona hafhaḽani kha TikTok niko promote kana niko posta luimbo lwa musi huna MT uri kani aḽa mafhungo ndi collaboration ine vhathu vha nga i lavhelela.
No, ndi luimbo lwa MT lunopfi Vambelela.
Yeah.
Post I'm also a fan of the boy. Remember uita muzika unoamba.
How powerful. MT powerful. Too much sauce there.
Sure.
MIZO PHYLL, you have been in the game for more than 10 years. I know that you always embrace new kids, but whenever code, what can you tell a younger version of you? No dziamba zwingwanepa roni fani kwambore. These kids, they look up to you. Mulaedza une hufuna khamsi ara ho bona muthu wa vha khoni ṋea mulaedza ni tshe mutukutuku nga tsho thomai wena vha u ḓo ni shumela ndi ufhio une na nga vhudza these kids vhane they want to be you, they want to follow your footsteps, they want to learn from how you have been conducting yourself throughout these years?
Especially to the young kids, maybe they are inspired by the pianos, and because a lot of these piano superstars are rappers, feature into that sound. I really love piano, but piano ya Venda iko dara ngamanda matamba. Understand? It becomes very difficult for me as a parent to play piano around my kids, and I have daughters, and they are matured right now. So you understand?
Yeah.
So it's very talente ararininayo sa the young MIZO PHYLL wa zwino niko inspire nga piano nga hip hop nga rap make sure that your language, vuvisani even no vuvisa and even na mredza even na reason why ni kuita muzika. This thing it lives forever, you understand? So Venda is not like we are in America where we can just say anything, you understand? So it's important that we send the right message. We told na radio ni konolira ngori ni do no hype ione behind the song, but the song is failing to grow ngori radio cannot take the song.
Yeah, ndingo heyo.
So it's very important uri ni sedze na zwezwo uri ni doba only big mara na balelo uri a certain level bathu vane vanifuna va radio ni ba balelo ni tamba. So please find a way to balance talent na and ne riwe ni ponga ndio no rengisa. Understand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Younger you ndiyakora ozwipfa zwavhuḓi I won't be doing justice MIZO PHYLL radi tshi nga ṱuwa hafha ndi songo ni vhudzisa nga I think this one is personal to you. Mafhungo a dzigigi asi mafhungo ane no thoma zwino MIZO PHYLL, you have been involved in gigs and you are one of the artists bane you have been doing your own gigs dzine they are on your name na mini zwoṱhe ndo ni vhona hafhalani Venda nga December Nandangwa ihone. What can people expect from Venda December hoingwa?
Yeah, Nangwa is happening at Marshal Resort.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a Sunday. It's gonna be 24.
Blessed.
Yeah. So this year, let's Amanda day vibes. But the place is very good. There's places for that. The place is very good even for Uri. You'll have an experience and Venda. And I'm in a resort. I'm far away from Dina, and most importantly, the lineup ndo do farabafu tubaya.
Yeah.
Ane baba local. Uri. It's very important to renarnesa bathu repair the artists zashu. The events zote zina za kuitiwa ziko headline nga bathu banda and uko visit ndi abo bathu banda. So Venda nga December ayikho nga hezo iko do usumbedza bathu uri ai na bathu baya ni ba pula na bathu baya ni ba supporta na bathu baya ni ba supportiwa and bafuniwa. So let's expect a whole lot of RP, a whole lot of JR player, a whole lot of Guzba Banana, a whole lot of the Capable Boys, a whole lot of Unarine, a lot of Awesome Spain, a little bit of Syria there, the community, a little bit of Mukororo here and there. I expected local. Boma whether the DJ,
yeah.
Yeah, udipe, usi na mafungo a uri rikoshona nga zwa hashu ari diudze nga zwa hashu rifune sialala.
Huna mbuso ine ndikuibona panoni from Tintswalo Maluleka uri zwingakonadzea na uri hedla nyimbo dzena dzi recorda kale nga tshifhinga tsha MC downloaded BT iche yoto duma yodzine ya manda zwiyakonadzea uri dziṅwe nyimbo dzine dzi vhuisa nga uri hayi upfi hayi nani khourwa nani chirwa na nyimbo nji dzine vhathu vha dzi funa nga manda hange murahu.
Ndiko vhona liṅwe afha kha TikTok lino imira ndi
yeah elia la beat ya elia la beat ya Lil Wayne.
Ya Lil Wayne.
Yeah.
He's always been that nigga. Like Nangwe Kwambori, if you listen to the song, no, hatuko throw a shade to FWO. Those are my niggas.
Yeah.
Both boys. Ndoro tafedzara pa Facebook yabo tena ngama malaini. Niko kwana bad. Abako tena ngama line na ma flow abe the boy is that rapper.
Yeah, that rapper. Fast.
Mara still that's for abo jana Drake afala zitu. Abo jana vakadzimwe level dzine hai nangwe nato jana nambori mini chimwe chifhinga vasamuna rari novasita rahatendani mamuna uri yeah, it's gonna stand out, you know. So hedzila dzinyimbo dzakare yeah, definitely adzivuye na-FWO nabo Macfam dzarabika kare, you know, nabo Giddy Boy yeah, dzingava dope.
Something here, I'm not sure, but I know you still remember this one. Venda believer no matter what they tell you. The praduba muvende ndingasi lose value. Which one is that one?
I don't know, but I know that yeah, you see how far, but would you believe me if I tell you, see, I've been doing this for, let's say, Notomo Repanga, that 2000.
Yeah.
Would you believe me, 23 years in the rapper?
23 years and
of rapping.
Yeah.
Yeah, Maraka, 3 years. That one opportunity to record that later in 2005, 2006.
Did you went back and take some of the songs before you started recording and you make them like songs?
Yeah, remember the first song was Chikanderezi.
Yeah.
I've heard those songs over 2000. Actually, to be honest, the first verse yenda imwala ndichikanderezi ndichita grade 8.
Huh? Manifesting.
Yeah.
Grade 8. And that song sounded like it was done yesterday.
Yeah, even as you know, like besokuprovhuwa ndina kofe ndokandwa ngachikanderezi ndikobona svisvinanelezi ebatakati ngapakati vachimpisa zvikoshavisa ndabalibisa zvine bangasizvikone ndichikabisa bangasimbone ende ndizvone ndikongwana like the flow was just on, and this is the grade 8 kid doing this.
Too much dope, man. Too much dope.
Yeah.
23 years. Mwana utobebiwa apedzambara na gaweni.
So I think Univene right now they were pushing Oriente doctrine. Then rap like even not just Ven rap, man. You know, to a point where music wa Venda uhune wabaone. I'm the root, you know.
Dingo.
Yeah, I'm the root. So give me my flowers when I'm alive. Give me the belt. Give me the crown, you know.
Ndani kwamba na Rashid K hapa noni ai abakwamba MIZO PHYLL aunofirisa mudive na he LP uronite sheresa ngamanda usumezori MIZO PHYLL arikwamba nga muzika wa Venda ngamanda wa hip hop face ine yabva palani nthai atofana billboard kana rina bari mina zvinzo itiwa nge America zistyle zvilani zvinezo bazope wa pasi apalani ndi mutu otoma ine uti wana star ka hip hop ya Venda.
Definitely, and thank you for the honor, my brother. Thank you.
Una Sunday hapa noni Flexi Sunday uri ringarave wine sabvisi deluxe albumu ndiakoro kwamba nga now and then uri no feature the big artists.
Yeah, I'd love that. Right now, anyone bigger than MIZO PHYLL I don't see. But I'd love that. But I don't see anyone fit enough, you know. There are people that I love, that I would love to work with. I don't, but that's not because they're big. It's just because I have love for them. You understand? People like what touch line.
Yeah.
You know, that boy too much.
The truth.
Yeah, the truth is one rapper in SA that I would really love to work with. Because of the love that I have for him. But all these other big superstars, if it happens, you know. But someone that I would also love to work with in the MT.
Yeah, you know, MT the hustler. Yeah.
MT, I don't know why I love that boy, man. I just have, you know, too much love for him. But But in terms of me wanting a feature from someone for me to be bigger, I don't think there's anyone bigger than me who would make me bigger, because right now I've proven, even with my message, that my message is bigger than what all these people are singing about. Banji badonchinyala zinyimbo.
Yeah, ndingo. So zwino ri khomba nga tshiimo tsha hip hop hapa Venda, ni khou vhona tsho ima nga nḓila ḓe?
Okay, big up Brother Kill.
Yeah.
On gang. Alright. I really hate, vhathu vhane vha ri vha khou rapa vha khou keep hip hop alive on dzinyimbo vho to featurewa nga muṅwe mrapa vho guma u release 10 years back kana 5 years back, and then they get a chance to be featured and they're like, yo, no man, stop the cap. You're not doing anything. You're not releasing. You're not working hard. You're not keeping Venda alive. We are the ones doing these things. We don't see you at the club, nigga. We don't see you performing. We don't see you get booked. We don't see you on posters. Why is that ready to go? Yeah, hey, big up to this thing. Big up Brother Kill. Big up JR Player. Big up MIZO PHYLL.
Yeah.
You go on a song with your cap as if you're running this thing. Stop with the cap, man.
Yeah, so ndikuru kage busy.
Yeah, stop with the cap. I took one by Ezra. Don't quote the line. As if I'm saying this, look at this.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I said what I said. What's next for MIZO PHYLL?
I don't know. Bucks or a bucks. You go to Zoom planning. I'm for it because they for to push LP. So what's next? But everyone, to be honest, I just want you guys to come to the Nanga December. Even Nango poster wouldn't end up that.
Yeah.
I would really appreciate you guys. Like utonsumbedza love mavana uri feel it.
Abara doveri rezamu muwana MIZO PHYLL hapa noni yori katanyana hapa bako mufa MIZO PHYLL ukamba mafungo ene ndebe yatsini hapa zwino iko ro dipfela MIZO PHYLL ndi munene vari he never miss wamba mafungo ene ni muswa kha umuzika ningotiyo guda uri zviwishimbilisa hani randi vani kurukisa tekniki ngapa MIZO PHYLL ndiuye naye tekniki ngange ini hayi romupfa MIZO PHYLL na chipinga hayi chinotuwanga raro chinotuwesa avari na nenda mendivana mbekenya mushumo apa noni MIZO PHYLL kuruvanga manda MIZO PHYLL vatu nozvipfa kombero niye Venda nga December supportani mafungo othe ane MIZO PHYLL ukha ozwa zvino ndi mafungo ane Venda ra supportana riaba powerhouse kuri vanga manda vatu vothe votareraho vatu vene va make sure uri hembe kanye mshimo abaita heri already men girl Mr. do this all the time ndichitua panoni kutuanga rwimbo rwa MIZO PHYLL huna CHIFO charge ne penga ngomo rwimbo lovokale nga manda rune na zvino ruchi relevant nga manda kuri vanga manda Marshal Nation kuri vanga manda Bucks kuri vanga manda King MIZO PHYLL roba na chifhinga chavhuḓi nga maanḓa ri naye MIZO PHYLL it was written ndiyakholwa na muthu na muthihi ene hathu ipfa itendera LP MIZO PHYLL it was written ihone hanefho hoṱhe digital platforms ihone ari fara ngoraro vhathu vha hashu hono ndi main girl Mr. do this all the time nṋe ndo ṱuwa khou nga maanḓa vho khuliso mulaudzi vho Venko Africa bo Zachi Nigo bo Rofiwa Prof Black bo Nchabeni Prime Mainganyi bo Giddy Boy mano mudau nerotwango raro koyo CHIFO charge asunda kana asanda una MIZO PHYLL aritangane futhi ngalabu Thiri. Guys, let me know who you want me to interview next. Mbuzeni zorendinye aner kutum interviewer. Hembe kenye mshimoi. Ya, chipikwa chayo nduri. Bafuni batikezi ba muzika wa Venda bakono wana ba imbi bene ba bafunesa tsini hanepo. Man, girl, Mr. do this all the time. Ngamandai. Newcomers, hit me up. Ni demuyani. Reambe. Mafungo. Batubani dhibe. Ngauri. In the next 5 years, you'll be big. And people need to know who you are. This is a boy, man, girl, Mr. do this all the time. Hey, on the Venda show. Nano tuwa batubahashu. Yeah. We said what we said. Kezo.